Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rama Ranjadkar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Today I am going to explain Programming using Embedded C, Part 4. Learning outcomes of this topic are Introduction to Serial Communication, ESCON register format, baud rate calculation which is used in serial communication programming, steps for serial communication programming, and example for serial communication programming. Let's see the introduction of serial communication. When electronic devices communicate with each other, they can transfer the data from one source to another source, that is from source to destination. This data is transferred in two different ways. One is serial transfer and another one is a parallel transfer. When the digital data is transferred serially, it is transmitted bit by bit. Whereas in case of parallel transfer, many bits are transmitted at the same time. Though the parallel transfer of data is much faster, but it requires many wires, while serial transfer is slower as compared to parallel transfer, but it requires few wires. Serial communication may be synchronous or asynchronous. In case of synchronous, data transmission is synchronized as the clock pulse is initialized, where in case of asynchronous, there is no need of clock pulse. So, in case of asynchronous transfer, start and stop bits are introduced along with the data bits. So, as soon as the start bit comes, data is transmitted, and once the stop bit comes, it stops to transmitting the data. Let's see ESCON register format. There are 21 special function registers in 8051 microcontroller, and 21 unique locations are used for these 21 special function register. Now ESCON register is called as a serial control register. It consists of 8 bits starting from bit 0 to bit 7. So let's discuss the bits of ESCON register. SM0 is bit 0 of serial port mode. SM1 is bit 1 of serial port mode. SM2 is bit 2 of serial port mode, and it is used to enable multiprocessor communication in modes 2 and 3. Generally, it is used for 9-bit UART. REN is called as a receiver enable. It is set or clear by software to enable or disable the receive operation. TB8 is a transmit bit 8. It is set or clear by software. This is 9th bit of serial transmission. So, by using TB8, 9th bit will be transmitted in mode 2 and mode 3. When the TB8 value is 1, 9 bit should be 1 and the value is returned to the serial port. When TB8 is 0, 9 bit is 0 and the receive interrupt will not be set. RB8, this is receive bit 8. Again it is set or clear by software. 9th bit will be received in mode 2 and 3. First 8 bits are the data received and 9th bit received will be placed in RB8. TI is called as transmit interrupt flag. It is set by hardware only, and when the byte is transmitted completely, at that time it will be set. Receive RI is called as receive interrupt flag. Again it is set by hardware when byte has been completely received. Now this ESCON register is used in serial communication program. Now this diagram shows the configuration setting. Now the upper 4 bits of ESCON register are configuration bits. SM0 and SM1 set the serial mode between 0 and 3. The 4 modes along with the baud rates are shown in table given below. In mode 0 and 2, baud rate is fixed, which is based on oscillator frequency. But in mode 1 and 3, baud rate is variable and generally it depends on the timer 1 overflows. Now let's see baud rate calculation, which is used in serial communication program. So how the baud rate is generated? So for baud rate generation we refer this diagram. Here the crystal oscillator frequency, generally it is of 11.0592 MHz. This frequency is divided by 12 and hence the machine cycle frequency equals to 921.6 kHz. Again this machine cycle frequency divided by 32 and so that we get the final value as 28,800 Hz. And this is used for timer 1 to set baud rate in serial communication. Now the different types of baud rates are available, that is 9600 baud rate, 4800 baud rate, 2400 baud rate and 1200 baud rate. So according to baud rate, the value of ESCON register is set or the value of TH1 is loaded. Now suppose the baud rate is of 9600. So our baud rate calculation is 28,800 Hz. This frequency is divided by 9600 and hence we obtain the value of TH1 as 3. And once if you this is a decimal count and this is a negative number. So if you calculate the hex format of -3, so we will get as FD. Okay, so how it will obtain? So -3 means 0011. Okay. Now negative sign indicates that we take a 2's complement of 0011. So 2's complement of 0011 is 1101. So 1101 means FD. Similarly for 4800, TH1 value is loaded as FA. For 2400 baud rate, it is loaded at FE, and for 1200 baud rate, it is loaded as E8. So according to baud rate, we upload the value of TH1 register. Now let's discuss steps for the programming to transfer the character byte serially. Now while the serial communication programming, T-mode register is loaded with the value of 20H, indicating use of timer 1 in mode 2. So mode 2 is called as 8-bit auto reload, and in this way baud rate is set. TH1 value is loaded with one of the value to set the baud rate for serial data transfer. Either it is 9600, 4800, 2400 or 1200 baud rate. ESCON register is loaded with the value of 50H, indicating serial mode 1 where the 8-bit data is framed with start and stop bits. Now start the timer using the instruction tr1 equals to 1. Transmit interrupt flag is cleared by clear ti instruction. Now the character is serially transferred into SBUF register. Keep monitoring the transmit interrupt flag using the instruction jump on no byte ti xs to see the character is transferred completely. As soon as the character is transferred completely, go to the next byte transfer, means go to step 5. Let's see the steps for programming to receive the character byte serially. Again, T-mode register is loaded with the value of 20H, indicating use of timer 1 in mode 2, means 8-bit auto reload it is. It is used to set the baud rate again. TH value is loaded with one of the value to set baud rate for serial data transfer. ISCON register is loaded with the value of 50H, indicating the serial mode 1, where 8-bit data is framed with start and stop bit. Start the timer 1. Here, instead of TI, we use the receive interrupt flag. So first of all, receive interrupt flag is cleared by clear RI instruction. The RI flag is monitored with the use of instruction jump on no byte RIXX to see the character whether it is received or not. To receive the next character, again go to step 5. Let's take one program in which character A is transferred serially at baud rate of 4800 continuously. And in this program we use the 8-bit data and one stop bit. So hash include register 51.h initialize the program. Void main void function shows the main function. Now starts program. So initially ISCON register is loaded. So as discussed earlier, ISCON register is loaded with 0x50H. Similarly, T-mode register is loaded with 0x20H. TH1 value is loaded with FH because the baud rate is set at 4800. Start the timer using the instruction TR1 is 1. Now in serial communication generally we are using a timer 1 mode 2. Hence we start the timer 1. Now we are going to transfer character A serially. So this character is loaded to SBUF register. Keep monitoring the timer interrupt flag. As soon as the character is transferred, timer interrupt flag gets clear. Similarly, stop the timer using the instruction TR1 equals to 0. And this file 1 instruction shows this happens continuously in loop. Now this program is to transfer a message serially at baud rate of 9600 continuously. Okay, in previous program we transfer a single character only. Now here we are going to transfer string MSBT at baud rate of 9600. Again use 8-bit data and one stop bit. Hash include register 51.h initialize the program. Now before going to main function, we need to assign or define string operation, because we are going to transfer the MSBT string. So we need to initialize this string before starting the main program. So to initialize this string, void string operation is used. Then start the main program by using main function start for serial communication program. So initially SCON register is loaded as the same 0x50H. Tmode register is loaded, in which timer 1 in mode 2 is used. Similarly, according to baud rate, set the value of TH1. So here the baud rate is of 9600. So TH1 value is of FDH. Now we start the timer using the instruction TR1 equals to 1. Now string M means letter M is loaded. Now all the characters of string are loaded using the string function. Now here our main program is completed. Now we are going to initialize string operation, a string function. So to define string function, we use void string operation, initialize the string operation. So load the character X to the SBUF register. Again, keep monitoring the timer interrupt flags. As soon as this character is transferred, monitors the timer interrupt flag continuously, and when the transfer completes, stop the timer interrupt flag and go to next character. So this process is continue till all the characters of the string gets displayed. Let's see receive operation in serial communication. So this program reflects the receive operation. So write a program to receive the bytes serially and put them in port 0 at 9600 baud rate. So again, hash include register 51.h is used to initialize the function. Initialize the main function as void main void. Load the SCON register value with the value of 0x50H. Load the value of tmode register with 0x20H. Because timer 1 we are using in mode 2. Now here the baud rate is 9600H. Therefore upload the value of FD to TH1. Start the timer using instruction TR1 equals to 1. Now port 0 is equal to SBUF, means the character which is present in the SBUF register goes to port 0. Okay. Here, in case of receive operation, receive interrupt flag keep monitoring. As soon as the character is received, receive interrupt flag equals to 0. After this, timer 1, stop the timer 1 by using the instruction TR1 equals to 0. And this process continuously happen till all the characters are received. Thank you.